Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to identify your iPhone country of origin. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. As you know, Apple develops and designs all of its iPhone and iPad devices in California. The iPhones are assembled by a company named Foxconn, which is mainly based in China. Apple outsources the manufacturing of various parts across the entire world, so if you want to check the country of origin of your specific device, you have to open the settings. Then tap on General. Now click on About at the very top. You have a model number right here, and you need to check the letters before the slash. The letters in my case are LL, which means USA. CN for Slovakia, some of the other letters are CH for China, J for Japan, and many more. You can Google your iPhone model number to know about its country of origin. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.